All right, so we're going to show you guys how to go right from Fusion 360 right to one of the printers that are throughout the district. We have 4 at the high school, actually 5 at the high school, a couple at the middle school, and a couple in the elementary school. So we can send it to any of the printers throughout the district. You can even do this from home. So I'm going to go to File, click 3D Print. So first thing, you always go top to bottom, left to right on Fusion 360. So first thing, it says to select what I want to print. So if I have multiple bodies over here, like I have this extra body over here, but I only want to print this part, I'm going to click on that. So this is what I want to print. This is one object selected. Instead of the STL binary, that's just the straight code. It doesn't bring over any of the scaling or anything along those lines. It makes life way easier if you select this STL. And since I made it in inches, it'll make my life easier if I keep it in inches. So I'm going to leave it at inches. The rest of this is already set up for you. The application is already selected for MakerBot Print. If you don't have the OK button down here, chances are you missed step 1 and you didn't click on the object. So if I don't, let's just turn that off. See, it won't let me click on OK. So I got to make sure I select that object. A lot of people forget that, and then they say, oh, it won't print. Well, that's why. So you click OK. And then it brings up MakerBot Print. So here's all the different printers we have, and we just name them for whatever teacher it's in there for. So we have Mr. Schaefer, myself, Mrs. Marino, Mr. Mills, Mrs. Stump. Okay, so there's my object. It's already scaled because I selected the correct STL file format. And then all I have to do is select the printer that I want. So I'm going to select my printer. Let's select. And it looks and says, all right, there it is. There's no print jobs remaining on it. There's nothing left over from yesterday or earlier in the day. And then all I have to do is hit print. It'll estimate and tell me how long it's going to take to print. So it should take 20 minutes. And it'll be ready at 10:23. So that's all we have to do to send anything to the 3D printer, anything from Fusion 360.